Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to download Instagram image in Telegram. So first of all, open Instagram apps and select an image. Now I am select this image. Tap on this, tap on the three dot, click here and copy to the image link and go to Telegram apps. Search here. Instagram saver, click on this bot and just paste here copied link, send, and you need to just waiting some second. Okay, click on this image, tap on the three dot and then finally save to gallery. Okay, now done. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.